The hardest lie to tell. Yeah.
When I said that my grandmother died and I was upset about it, I didn't mean that she died today. She died 3 years ago.
This is what we're doing all the time. We're deleting, distorting in general. We're skewing the data that we transmit to people. Because the hardest lie to tell is the one that is deliberately, obviously, totally, completely contrary to the truth. It's the hardest one to tell. It's the hardest one to defend and to justify to ourselves. So what do? We leave out information, so they never bother to think or question us about it, or we give them a set of facts in such a way that they're predisposed to filtering and acting on that information in a way that creates a story that has nothing to do with the facts, but everything to do with the fact. Yes, most people do, except those of us who are self-employed. But even then we do it, all right? It's called marketing, all right? Guys, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not saying that you're all dishonest people.